and the people. Okay. Okay. Now let's say. Now, is there any other news you can announce? What other news can you announce?
If I was a police,
Yes.
then what would I do at that time? If the news, someone came and are asking questions. How did?
What did you say?
What? As I've been practicing for a whole year doing exercise.
Okay. 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 So what is the breaking news you're going to announce now? What is the news you're going to announce? Yeah. What is the news you're going to announce now?
I don't know, sir. Can you tell me?
Okay. So let's say, have you heard of what other news have you heard of that you can talk about?
There are so many news, sir. I don't know.
Okay. So let's say, for example, there's a bus strike. Okay. And you're announcing this bus strike.
I know one news which my father and mother were discussing one day.
Okay.
There was one bus.
Yes.
It was going somewhere. There were so many people at night. At night, suddenly the tree fall down in the river.
Suddenly, what fell down in the river?
The bus.
Well, the bus fell down in the river. Okay.
All the people
Yeah.
were in the bus. They were dead, and some people.
Okay, so once again, they were not dead; they died.
Yes.
All the people in the bus died.
Not all.
Not all. Okay. So some of them died. Okay. So correct the tense. Yeah. You don't say they're dead. You say they died.
They died.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Please continue.
Sir.
Yeah.
Do you know any news?
Yeah, I know. Russia has invaded Ukraine. So have you heard of this? Did you hear of this news? Russia invaded Ukraine.
No, sir, but I think my father.
Okay, your father must be knowing. Okay. Okay, so let's continue your story about this bus. So continue the story and continue the news.
My mother was asking my father, why can't your big brother come? Then my father said, no, he can't come in a rainy season. It was a rainy season.
Yeah.
My father said he will drown.
Okay.
So my mother said, but I want to see my grandmother.
Okay. Okay.
Her mother.
Okay.
So my father said, no, we can't go in a rainy season right now.
We cannot go in the rainy season.
Yes.
Okay, yeah, continue, Ritika.
Then what happened? It was summer.
Yeah.
But when coming the bus, I said to father, Papa, it is summer. It is summer right now. So why is it cold? He said because in Sagar it is very cold. In December it's very cold. In Mumbai it's very hot, but in December it's very cold.
Right.
Why cold in December, sir?
Why is it cold in December? Because December is a winter month, and the rays of the sun, the rays of the
Can
sun.
you repeat, sir?
Yeah, because December is a winter month. Okay, and summer is over. Okay, and the rays of the sun are not that strong in December, and because of that, it is winter.
Yeah, it does look like in summer right now. What is in evening? If you go on the terrace or anywhere or outside, so it looks sunny, but
Yes,
very cold.
it's very cold. Okay, so you say in the evening.
In the evening.
Yeah, don't forget to say in the evening. Okay. Okay. So now, what news are you going to announce, Ritika? You're my news reporter. So what news are you going to announce now?
I'm the news reporter, and I will ask you questions.
Okay, ask me questions.
Can I ask you about the bakery?
Bakery?
If
Yeah.
you have a bakery.
I don't have a bakery, but okay, I'm imagining that I have a bakery.
If you, what can I say? Can you tell me what to say, sir?
Okay, you're interviewing me.
Yes.
Okay, so ask me questions then about my bakery.
Where is your bakery located?
My bakery is located in Santa Cruz.
Oh. What is famous in your bakery?
In my bakery, the apple pie is really famous.
But why is it famous, sir?
Because it's really tasty. Everybody loves it.
Do you sell other things?
Yes, I sell brown bread, and I sell I sell ginger garlic bread, and apart from bread, I sell a wide range of pastries: chocolate pastry, pineapple pastry, strawberry pastry, carrot pastries, and cheesecake as well.
Do they only like your apple pie or the rest of the food?
Oh, everybody loves my pastries. They are lovely.